Hi, I'm FF04ORD and today we're going to be fitting some wind deflectors as per the title and thumbnail. Just a quick one as well, I've upgraded the camera, so hopefully with this video compared to the last one you should see a difference in quality, so if you do just let me know down below, let me know what you think. Now, what are the main advantages of wind deflectors? Well, I'm sure you already know this, but my main reason is they do look good, but as per maybe a lot of cars out there, when you're driving, when it's wet or you wash the car or it's rained, when you open the window, water drips down and lands on your panel, your window control panel on the side, and it's quite irritating. This is a Mk3 Focus estate. It shouldn't matter whether it's the hatch or the estate. The principles are pretty much the same, unless it's a 3-door, then you've just got front doors as opposed to the rears. Now, I've got the wind deflectors with me. They're just outside, just out of shot, just down here. Now, I'm not going to rabbit on too much because it's a nice, easy, quick video. There's plenty of these videos online, so I'm just doing this one as I say I'm doing it, so I'm recording it. So, I'm guilty. I've asked as well online, as per I'm sure a lot of you have who fitted these. And one of the main questions with this video is, do I need the clips? Well, the answer is it depends on your circumstance. Now, the main difference is whether you have a 3-door or a 5-door. Now, with the 3-door, because the wind deflectors come down the side and start of shot, but come down in front of the mirror just here, if that goes, then worst case scenario it would just drop a little bit. They're not exactly going to fall out, but on the rear ones, because they're straight across, it's more than likely they're going to fall out because there's nothing to hold them up. So I hope that just clears that one up. That's my opinion of it anyway. You may have them in without the clips, it might be fine, but that's just my thinking behind it. Okay, so first thing we need to do is roll the window down and give the seal a wipe with a dry cloth. And this is going to remove any contaminants or fluff within the seal. Try not to use a wet cloth as you're going to get moisture in the seal. So these are the wind deflectors. I'm going to get these unpacked and I'll start off obviously with the rear window as that's probably the easiest. So within each pack, this is still sealed, you should have the clips at the top. So make sure you get the right side, and all you need to do then is remove the sticky bits and insert. And the easiest way is just to angle it like that and bring it up. So as you can see, like I was saying earlier, these straight ones, there's nothing to stop these from falling down, there's nothing to support it, so it is a good idea to use the clips on these, because these will probably fall out after a while. So I'm just going to do it now. Okay, so you can see on there you have a little clip that sticks out, that needs to go to the back, so that sticks in the felt of the seal. So once they're in, you can close up the window, and I recommend leaving it for a day, and that will mould the seal to the window and the shape. So what we want is the seal to be nice and flush against this, not curved or stuck underneath it. So we want a nice tight seal, stopping any moisture getting inside, and follow suit along the back. So I need to do this one next. You don't have to see me film it or might time lapse it. Best way to start on this front and then do the back after. And I'll bring you back when I've done that. So that's both this side done. I don't know if you noticed then with the time lapse that the window had problems going up and down. That's because it is cold today. You're better off doing this when it's slightly warm, or maybe get a hairdryer to soften the rubber, because that does help. So as I say, if you do have a slight issue, just lift the wind deflector away, let the window go up and give it a day or so maybe, because it is cold, and let the rubber mould to the new shape, and then hopefully you won't have any issues at all. If you do and it still catches after a day or so, and you could even try heating it up a little bit, you can always get some more clips. You can order those online. That'll help push the window away a little bit. So what I've noticed on the Mark III is that the gully, is that the right word, the section where the window goes into the seal is not terribly thick. Here it's quite shallow, so when the clips are in, I can't see them from here. Or on the outside you can just see the bottom. You won't know they're there unless you really look for them. But yeah, I've tried putting the window up and down now a few times, and yeah, it's fine, it closes fine. I've done the water test and it just drips off. That's pretty much it, nice and easy. This doesn't need to be a long video, so I'm not going to bore you with it. Yeah, if you have any questions down below, as per usual, let me know. Leave a like, not like, that's up to you, lets me know how I'm doing, and I'll see you in the next one.